Say hey, faithful. Gary here with another episode of 49ers Fogies Shorts Injury Edition. It's time for Week 11 post-game injury report from the Angry Desert Redbirds game in Mexico. Kyle Shanahan, in his press conference immediately following the game, said he had no injury updates to report. No post-game injuries to report? No major issues to report after the game is always a good thing. Linebacker Dre Greenlaw, he appeared to have a hurt arm or wrist during the game, and he went out. And cornerback Charvarius Ward had a groin injury of some sort, but he returned after being officially labeled questionable early in the game. Both players did finish the game. If this keeps up, we'll have a full deck to play with come playoff time. I do enjoy seeing the IR list dwindle. We're just going to continue to get stronger. So, until next time, stay faithful and go Niners! Say hey, faithful. You made it to the end. Leave us a message in the comments down below. And go Niners!